everyone, and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. This is day 3, and it is your favorite stitch. Well, I'll cut right to the chase. My favorite stitch is the half double crochet. I love doing these. I can do half double crochets off and on all day long. Don't know why, but it gives me the warm and fuzzies inside. I have another favorite stitch. It is the Alpine stitch. And that Alpine stitch is on Juan, the Yarn Addict's wheel. And I'll put it up on the screen for those of you that aren't familiar with the Alpine stitch. Love, love, love to do that one too. So if you haven't joined us in celebrating National Crochet Month, it is not too late. We have the whole month to celebrate. But if you would like to jump in and do some days, use the hashtag OTCS National Crochet Month. OTCS is short for Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I will put that and include the list of what we do each day on the screen, and I can send it to you as well if you would like me to. Check out Nina's Knots Crochet. She has joined in on the National Crochet Month Challenge, and I would like you to check out her videos as well. If you don't know her and you like her content, go ahead and subscribe, turn the bell on so you won't miss a notification, and you can see her answer each question for the day. So I look forward to tuning in with you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day, and remember to live each day as if it were your last.